morning, Brandon. We're here today, the day after yesterday's video, or I tried to pull an all-nighter last night for you guys, but Brandon's footage was just too high quality, so I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Yeah, it just kept crashing my computer. But we're here today to install the carbon fiber body kit on our Adro Widebody. We have the front splitter, side splitter, rear diffuser, and then we gotta head to my place and change the hood out to the SEIBON carbon hood, so that should be pretty exciting. We're gonna start with what I want to do least today, like what on difficulty. It's gonna be side skirts, basically mainly difficult because of how hard it is to kind of get the car up from without having to use the side jacking points. But we have 30 bolts here provided by Adro. They're self-tapping screws. You kind of just drill them in, line it up. But first we need to get this car kind of in the air in some sort of way, so let's go do that real quick. I do not advise jacking a car up from the differential in any way. We are just special people.
Special problems.
Special problems. I'm not saying that I'm a special person. I'm saying
This looks pretty good.
just the photo.
Question like that.
Who does this? I do know where this goes.
That should come over there.
You need help. I'm fucking wobbling. You're being annoying today.
They're right here, man.
They're still right here.
I knew it. I knew it. I was about to grab them like, you dumb.
Did you get that on camera?
Yes. Come on, man. I was trying to make it easier on you. Put it there.
At 10,000 subscribers, we're giving out wheels for anybody but you. Make sure you buy their merch because I don't have that one on right now. So make sure you buy it on the link.
Yeah, go on to www.risenracing.com.
They have to type www.
No, they don't. He's just old school.
Math is just hard.
Make sure you just put the link down in the description below.
I'll put the link down in the description. These side skirts are actually really cool because they work around the mounting points. So I could still jack the car with these side skirts and not have to worry about them. Very satisfied. Are you rolling? It's very nice. Alright, next up, front lip, rear diffuser.
Ooh, let's see the lip.
Let's do the lip?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look, unequivocally,
Close
super
what? Heavenly.
heavenly.
Front splitter. Sexy.
Oh, it's got the badge and everything,
That is
man.
cool. Nice finish right here. Now, how does one install such thing? You can literally just like put this on the box, put the bumper on the box, and just drill downwards since it's just bolt and nuts. These aren't tappings. Alright. Box is pretty sweet.
Why's the racism?
Because you're Mexican.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just hold it on the edges here. I want this to be flush right here.
Okay.
That's what they're gonna see. So both of you, because when I'm drilling, it's gonna like move around.
I'm sorry.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there? I think you guys need to shift to the left a little.
Understand
One
the
here,
gravity.
one here,
Yeah,
then one here.
Did you get the right size?
yeah. There is no. You're not gonna put a bolt like directly in the middle.
No, it's gonna be 1 and 2, yeah.
And then I'm doing it with a smaller bit.
Oh, nutty.
Pretty good. It's gonna be solid. Nice.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah. We're doing the splitter right now. That's it? All done? Damn, this looks good.
Hello.
Damn, looks good, huh? Just break it.
Yeah, break it.
like it. That's crazy. No, it looks really good. It looks so wide. It's just that it's weak right now. Yeah.
He has to air out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to still like clearance stuff.
Oh boy. Curious as to what we're gonna have to trim for this bad boy. Dad, you see this shit?
Exquisite carbon fiber. Look at this. Damn, dude. I got
Oh, dude.
That looks sick.
That's nuts.
Yeah. Oh my god. That's gonna fit in there?
Yeah.
light. Maybe a light.
No. There's no light. You just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Just,
man.
just slide right in.
Right there. What trimming?
There's no trimming.
What trimming? What are they talking about? What trimming are they talking
there
about?
is no trimming.
Wait, so you just leave the
Oh,
Yeah, it
the
just
way
goes
in
right on.
Oh my god.
Damn.
How's that?
Yeah, this is how automotive enthusiasts work out in the garage.
Falling asleep, Alex?
A little bit.
You're supposed to wake up throughout the day, not go to sleep throughout the day.
Speaking facts. Alright, well, we got all the carbon pieces on. Looks absolutely insane. Fitment was pretty perfect on all of them. The diffuser, we just used bolts and nuts in the area that pop clips used to go, so it's definitely even more mounted. The wing we installed in the last video, so if you guys didn't see this awesome Swan neck, our body shop actually drilled these out for us. And something really cool about this wing was that it has these carbon plates here that go on the inside where the bolts go, that you have to cut out for them to fit in, but it's not just like bolts holding the wing, it's actually these carbon plates that come with the wing, which is why it's like a $2,000 spoiler, but it's worth it, super sturdy, has these sick ass, you know, end plates that remind me of the fighter jets from Star Wars, I don't know what they're called, people are gonna hate me for that, but then these awesome Swan necks. But what's left is we need a SEIBON hood, carbon fiber hood, which unfortunately we cannot run for SEMA because that goes against like the whole point of unveiling the Adro kit. People are gonna think the SEIBON hood comes with the Adro kit, but it doesn't. So we're just gonna be running the SEIBON hood for SubiFest this Saturday, which is in 2 days. So we are gonna go to my place, get that hood on the car, and grab something else a little bit special. So let's go. I almost forgot this thing right here. This is a nice package shipped by Suma Performance. This is a Vortex generator that goes on the roof. It's gonna be some fins to kind of give more accent to the car. They were kind enough to send us this, so next up, we're gonna put on this Vortex generator. Let's unbox this thing. Need scissors.
Suma Performance.
Suma Performance. They've been supporting us since the beginning. They did our carbon mirror caps and carbon steering wheel. And as you see, this is pretty fragile, I would think. Walk this out, look at that logo. Beautiful. Huge shout out to Eddie and Suma Performance. This should be able to just go on with some nice, quick old double-sided tape. Ooh, it's gloss black. I actually thought this was matte black. Nah, it goes around the antenna. This is some high quality looking double-sided tape. You're gonna want to install your double-sided tape along the line of this beautiful Vortex generator.
How are you the zip tie god and not have scissors?
Because I once had scissors.
Oh.
That should be more than enough. Maybe even a little overkill, some would say. Set it down?
Ah, yep, right there, right there, right there, right there. Nice.
You move mine. Place it, dude. Right there? No, work from in to out, dude. In to out.
Very nice, very nice.
There you go. I like a good Vortex generator. I've run it on my WX, my Type R came with them, and now my BRZ has them. Nice little fins. That's actually like an STI add-on, so looks pretty good. that night. Yeah. What? Look at the carbon, bro. That color did not change, but there is so much carbon. I like it. Wow. So much carbon. Oh, wheel 6. Yeah, wheels. Yes. Dude, that carbon. Listen. That part of carbon is shiny. Look at that. Look out there.
I believe we're missing something to the equation.
Help me. We got some more accents here.
Canards? We figured there's not a...
Oh, wow. That's pretty tough to put on, huh?
That's tough.
I like it. Adro, hit me up if I can get bias. We'll need to put the same thing on. There you go, he's so good. I like it. He was gonna be like...
It does need it, but come right here, bro. Oh, when the hood is on, though?
Yeah, dude, it's just, it's totally transformed.
Hey,
like,
Brandon. We've made it. We did our first drive with all the carbon. Everything held up. Hopefully, obviously. We did pretty good, I think. Car looks freaking nuts, but we're here to get this SEIBON hood. Come on, guys. Come take a look into where I live. Isn't this nice? Let's get it out there, because...
Is it heavy?
Yeah. Very heavy. I'll have my assistants take care of this one. Here you go, Trey. Oh wait, I'm the assistant. Trey's the boss.
Now you know this.
It's pretty nice. Younger people don't always do but today he has one now. Not really sure how to feel it. Here, get this. Whoa. Alright, let's just flip the box. Just switch on this. SEIBON, you guys need to sponsor me. This hood was expensive. This was like the one part of the build that wasn't sponsored. Which is why it's not going to be part of SEMA, but for after SEMA, this is going to be badass.
I had a friend that dragged me.
oh shit, you can't put that in. If he ends up seeing that shit, I would feel so bad.
Hold it from the window.
Alright, let's go.
Got it? You guys are cute.
Oh, that teamwork makes the dream work.
Flip it this way, forward. Okay. Keep going. Flip it. Yep, flip it. And I'll go this way. Whoa, chill, bud.
I was just gonna reveal it.
Yeah.
Hanging in on this side.
No, I was talking to Alex.
Fit. Check the edges. Make the edges sure. Damn, son. Wow, Subaru. I meant SEIBON. That looks that looks good, dude. That looks nuts. I like it. Holy crap, dude. All the carbon fibre is done.
It's green and gray and black and carbon and BRZ and debadged and wide body.
Nobody knows what it is. Everybody has asked me, what is that? This is the smaller one.
No there, bear.
What would happen if just no more YouTuber, huh?
Gonna do it Tom Cruise style with glasses on.
All right, this is how you're standing. All right, Trey, what do you do?
We are leaving both of the side doors open and hanging on to the freaking box up top. Because
Those
why not?
All I can see, all you can see on the side mirror is just buns.
Thank you, Alex. I will be checking my side mirrors frequently.
There you go. We got a handle to hang on to, man. Come on, stop playing.
All right, wheels are mounted. I'm gonna throw this in the trash.
That was too easy. It's too easy. Wait, you're coming too?
I can pressure down.
No,
Hell yeah.
wheels are loaded. Heading to the garage to put them on.
I can't hear my thoughts with this AC. Are you guys ready? Yep. You got your e-brake on? No? Wow, that was a tailpipe.
Show off.
All right, we made it. They made it.
Run on back.
Actually, only one of them made it. Just kidding.
Bro, guy behind us. We're like this is holding on.
That's all right.
I know, I saw him. I heard him.
I saw nothing. It's in.
I hope
It's
it's good.
It's in.
Oh, it's in. Alright.
It is in.
It is in.
It is in. We are risen.
Ain't enough. Ain't enough.
Oh, you're actually doing the harness.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Guys, this is like some real stunt action stuff you're about to witness. Nice.
Thanks. Moment for the time being.
Trey is trapped in his
I'm
own.
trapped.
He's kidnapped in his own van.
Oh well. Hey, can you turn on the rear AC?
You heard? I haven't been this excited to see this car like
Come together.
since my car. This thing is mean.
Minty, minty, minty.
Dude, they package, Anovia packages stuff well. Man, Anovia coming in clutch with the 3-piece wheels for Suma.
on top of it?
Alright, time.
Let's give it a countdown.
Get over here.
And 3, 2, 1. Those things are spicy.
Yo.
Come on, come on, come on.